How do you move your sprite? This is easy. So, this is for beginners. So, yeah, this is the blocks. From blocks, um, blocks. Alright, so I'm gonna give chapters. So, in blocks and JavaScript. So, we're gonna do blocks first. So, so you have an on start container right here. Alright, so go to sprites, and you have to create a sprite. If you don't create your sprite, it'll do an error. It's gonna say, oh, there's no sprite and there's no name called my sprite because you didn't even put your sprite in. So you can actually create your sprite whenever you want. So there's every sprite in the gallery. What you choose, you can choose anything. Like I'm choosing a duck. Okay, now you can move your sprite with the buttons. Okay, so this add thing right here is gonna be VX and VY. Whatever your duck is moving or your sprite is moving. So if you set this as 0, the VX as 0, it will only be up and down. If you set a VY as a 0, it will only move left and right. Alright? Okay. Now, you can, now the sprite can, when you put VX 100, VY 100, okay, so you can just change your speed from a duck, your sprite. Like, for example, I'm choosing 900, and this one's 900. For example, it will speed up. Look at that. It will speed up. Okay. It's out of the map. It's out of the map. It's out of the map. It will speed up your sprite. So, um, so yeah, now moving on to JavaScript. Now, how do you move your sprite in JavaScript? This is how you do it. So, sprites, go to sprites, and then sprite image of kind. So yeah, now click on the right here, this palette. Okay, now you have you can do whatever you want. I'm doing a duck. All right, it will be like this, and then go to controller, move my sprite with buttons, and then that's all with that. All right, so yeah, so if you want to do like this, what you have here, you can actually do that in JavaScript too. So in here, press right here, and then put a comma, VX number. You can actually put VX number 500, for example, and comma 500 for VY. Okay, so now when we test the game, it will be like this. And you can actually delete all of this and keep this, and the player can like move normally. Okay, Python, it looks like Python So I'm gonna try to teach you Python. Okay, so sprite image of kind here. Okay, so now palette, gallery, and then choose your sprite like I asked, and go to controller, move my sprite with buttons. So okay, so what we have here, we have my sprite. Okay, so now it looks like a we can still do this in Python. Okay, so bam. Okay, so it just look, look. This is a space. So it's not much like JavaScript. JavaScript is like doing this. Watch this. It does this. My sprite is with the uppercase S, uppercase S. Yeah. So, and is uppercase S. So, yeah, that's how you create your sprite and move your sprite. And thanks for seeing this video, and it helps. Bye.